These Regina cuttings are perfect, about 30 centimeters each with strong aerial roots. They're ready for propagation.
This precise application of organic fungicide is essential for robust growth, ensuring consistency across all 30-centimeter segments.
Lift it higher on the left.
Steady now, watch your step.
Bring the shovel over here.
Pásame el conector rápido.
Aquí tienes. ¿Cuántos metros quedan en el carrete?
Unos 100, yo creo.
All right, lift it up now.
Higher, just a little higher.
Got it, bolt it in.
This precise pruning technique encourages better air circulation and optimizes light penetration, directing
We need to spread these Regina vines out gently. Make sure every branch gets enough sunlight for the fruit to develop.
We release the ladybugs directly onto the Regina vines. They are excellent natural predators for the pests.
This connection here seems unstable.
Yes, the bolt is loose. Let's tighten it before the next inspection.
This careful aeration improves water penetration and enhances root respiration, promoting beneficial microbial.
Pull the net across smoothly.
Secure this corner first. We must cover the red vines before noon.
The first delicate, cream-colored flower buds emerge from the vibrant green stems. These unique buds drawn by the fragrance, the moth gently brushes against the pistil, facilitating the crucial pollination of this exotic superfood. This tiny, green ovary, just 2 to 3 centimeters long, is the immediate result of successful pollination.
A successful fruit set is evident across the farm. These young red gina fruit.
This color transition signals the onset of ripening, indicating its refreshing sweet, speckled white flesh is developing inside.
This one looks perfect, good color and firmness.
Agreed. Logging that now, moving on.
Make sure they are steady. Looks good, let's go.
Look for the vibrant pink color. Anything bruised goes here.
Got it. These look perfect.
The consistency looks excellent on this run.
Yes, very smooth. I'll note it down.
This controlled heat treatment quickly and efficiently eliminates harmful microorganisms while preserving the refreshing sweet.
The pasteurization is complete.
And the rapid cooling system is maintaining the color perfectly. We are ready for bottling.
Netted red gina dragon fruit,
each a vibrant, vivid pink with prominent green scales, are conveyed to an automated stainless.
Ensure the film is breathable for the Gina variety. The scales look perfect.
Yes, settings are calibrated, running smoothly.
With meticulous organization and state-of-the-art tracking systems, every pallet of red Gina dragon fruit is scanned.
Set it down gently. Watch the alignment on row 42.
Confirmed. Latching rods ready for securing.
Be careful with the juice cases, they go on the bottom.
Got it. These dragon fruits look perfect.
Discover the vibrant red Gina dragon fruit, a refreshing superfood with speckled white flesh. Available now in the produce section.
Wow, this dragon fruit is amazing. It's so chewy and tastes incredible. Definitely my new favorite healthy snack.
This is so yummy.
The red Gina dragon fruit's journey is truly global, reaching markets worldwide. This exotic superfood is successful